Good, how are you?
You look lovely.
Thank you. Kuba nsweatinga naye tugendera awo. Dance tukonye mungi kwegamba.
How was the show?
Beautiful. Amazing. I love the creativity. It was nice. Yeah.
Show ya Rema.
Of course, the way she sings well, we all know that. Beautiful production. Yeah. Her outfits were on point. Everything on point. You know, it was beautiful. Yeah.
Oh, inaka concept kojewa kagenda mu first match.
Yeah, like at first match to planning eba yagwadde. You know.
Last minute.
Not really. Already mba mwa kati n'ebintu byaggwadda buli kimu bakikola dda tulize bulizi bantu kwambala byaggwadde obugoye bwatungibwa dda, you know, so we are just waiting for people for Friday. Boka be babulayo boka. Yeah.
Everyone was amazed to Lydia Jazimine. No one was expecting you.
Why? Sibimanyi.
People are like, they didn't really expect Lydia Jazimine agenda.
Why? Don't I attend all concerts?
You do, but people were not.
Why, isn't Rema an artist like me? I attend everybody's concert. Why wouldn't I attend Rema's concert? Yes.
Would you love to see it in return?
Bananga, I've answered that thing so many times. Bana temukola bintu nga mwagala kusasulwa. Nze nkola ekintu nga nkyagadde. You understand? I do it from the bottom of my heart. When I do something, I do it for me. So I don't do things expecting people to do them back. Ayogedde chibi. First match. Banange. Yeah, we have 6 days to Friday. 5 days. Besunze nnyo kyekyensinga bagamba nti mbesunze. You know this is very special to me. Yeka concert yange so say it's my baby. Ndi lubuto nabagamba ndi lubuto. Ngenda kuzaala nga lumo match. Kakati bambi mujja munyambeko nga nsindika. Ka baby nga nkapushinga mujje mubeerewo. Mbesunze nnyo bambi. Me I'm ready. I'm very ready. Newe mungambe ncha tugiteekeyo kiggwa.
You're one of the best guitarists. That's Michael Uma. Behind the
Yes. Yes.
You're working with Michael Uma.
I've always worked with Michael Uma. Kuvanga bwe natandikira okuyimba live band. Somewhere, somehow, woboba dongo bele olaba nti Michael Uma mwali mu picture. So I couldn't leave him out on our main concert because abaddewo mu jane yange. Lwaki ntuuka ku kino n'atabeerawo. I would have been wrong for choosing another person over him. So banange mujje besunze.
Nzeka video zokuva gye watandikira nekujjukira ng'oliko nga Vixen mu Yashiba ya
bakwekule. Yes. Yeah, I've had quite a journey. Nasokera mu TNS mu kimanyi. Okay, twajjanga team. Buli omu yalina manager we naye nga twali team. So nevaawo netongoza nga nze. So journey yange badde ate even before that nalijjukira nali backup already and Wizo. So nze experience nene. So I think Ugandans know that I've earned it and I've worked for it over the years. Actually twalwawo kola concert. So this is the time. Bajje balabe. Bajje ba celebrating enange because almost tuli myaka tugenda weza batu awezeze 10. So you know it's very special.
Walingo osoma okugenda mu studio backing abayimbi
nga nzirayo ku campus nali bwentyo we nali newerera tuition nga nzijukira n'olumu waliwo ne Jeff yankimako ne ku campus nga it was yali emergency nga nogendo backing aba radio. So emwe ebintu tubikoleredde tuvudde wala bingi bantu bye batamanyi. So omuntu era Katonda agenda okugirako akasubi nga aba alabye obo ranye si byangu naye we thank God tuli wano, we are here. Bene omanyiye mbadde busy mu rehearsal za first match nti n'amawulire agali ku mutimbagano sigala bagasinga wenzija mugundi mu kamera mwe mumbuuza ebintu nga simanyi because ndi busy ntegeka concert egenda okusinga kati mpa oluusi sibiraba. Njagala nkole concert kusikolangako nina okwoutdoing myself, so when I do the concert of the year, please come. Please come. Yes, ngenda Zara first born. Ngomanyi kyekitegeeza. Hey.